and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen on this beautiful summer evening. Today I'm making for you a classic summer Tuscan dish, Panzanella. It's a hearty, delicious salad that we eat at the beach for lunch in Italy, or it's wonderful for dinner as a side dish. Lots of yummy ingredients. So let's start. You've seen me grill Italian ciabatta and country rustic bread, as well as grill the tomatoes and the red onion. Then we chop 4 small seedless cucumbers and make a very simple, delicious dressing of red wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. And all we're going to do is toss. We've grilled the bread and the tomato and red onion to bring out the flavors more. Really make them, as we say in Italian, risaltare, jump out. Now, before we grilled these, I coated the tomatoes and the red onion and the Italian bread with extra virgin olive oil. So they're all ready, nice and coated with the flavor of the olive oil, salt and pepper. And now we're going to add the cucumbers and mix all this up. This is such a refreshing yet filling salad. And look at the beautiful colors. So you could serve this for a summer evening with grilled fish or grilled chicken, or in the summer as a salad with perfect with a glass of white wine. Absolutely delicious, and a classic traditional Tuscan salad. Panzanella from Lisa's Italian Kitchen. As we say in Italy, buon estate, happy summer, buon appetito, tutti a tavola, ciao ciao.